Hello, happy Saleabration Sunday. I am very happy. I got a new Saleabration item in one of my deliveries this week, and I thought it would be brilliant to show you this week for Saleabration Sunday. If you don't know what Saleabration is, I'll just quickly share that with you. Stampin' Up! Bring out their spring summer paper crafting catalogue in January through to May every year, and it's full of gorgeous, lovely products. Alongside it, they bring you a Saleabration brochure that runs from the 3rd of January to 31st of March. But these products you don't buy, these products are free. You earn these, and every Sunday I'm going to bring you one of these and show you what they are like. They're brilliant. And so for every £45 you spend either in this catalogue or the big annual catalogue, you can get a free Saleabration item. There's some higher value ones at the back as well. There's a framelit which matches, it's called the Tea Time Framelit Dies, and it matches a stamp set in this catalogue. You spend £90 to get that one because it's a die set. And I think there's one other one, this gorgeous lily. Are they lilies? Yeah, lasting lily. It's beautiful. It's really lovely, and that's a £90 purchase to get that one as well because they're kind of a step up. Everything else in here, all the stamp sets and the papers and the card kits, everything is free with a £45 spend. So this week I got the precious Parcel card kit. It's lovely. I was very excited because I wanted to see exactly what it was like. So here it is. Let's show you. I've opened it, I've played with it because I obviously wanted to see how it worked. So when you get your kit, let me get rid of that glary cellophane. You don't want that shining. You get everything you need to make the project. And I've made one. Okay, and you get a little instruction leaflet too. It tells you what your kit includes, it tells you the steps, and it tells you what it's meant to look like. And they're little, it's called the Precious Parcel card kit, and they're little pocket cards, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So these are the card bases. There's one in this colour, and then you get them in this darker green as well, this old olive. And so you get 4 of each, so you get a kit to make 8 cards. And I'll show you what they make. So if I move that out of the way, I'm going to use this one, this lighter green one this time. So everything comes done for you. You don't have to do anything with it, as in scoring or cutting. It's all pre-made, which is fabulous. And then you get the little inserts that go inside. And you get 4 each of those as well. Aren't they beautiful? So you get enough to make 8 total. And you get the matching envelopes. They're really lovely. So you've got everything there. You get the baker's twine that goes on the front, and you get these little stickers that go on the front too, and you get the little sort of fake stamps that go with the pretty inserts. They're gorgeous. And this is the best part. I love little mini things. Oh, I really do. Look how cute are these. Little mini paper clips. Let's get one out so you can see. They're sweet. So they go in there too, and that all comes with it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make it. It's very simple. All you have to do is take out these bits, the waist. There's a little dot there too. And there's a couple here. Now I put my pokey tool away because I had a class. I haven't got it back out. But there we are, I've got them out. So you just need to poke those out. This is where your baker's twine goes. So the top tip is to tie your bow through the front of the card before you assemble it, because otherwise it's a very difficult job. And I only like a little bow, so I'm just going to cut a length off like so, and you pop it through and make a bow and tie it as long or short as you fancy. And says me, I'm feeling all fingers and thumbs today. I don't know if I've got that Sunday feeling. At least the sun's shining here, it's gorgeous. Right, very frosty morning. Here we go. So tie the bow. I've got too much, it doesn't matter. I've got plenty in the pack. So there we are. There we are, there's your bow. And then we can trim the ends. Let's make that one slightly smaller. Trim them off. Oops. There we are. So trim them off. So you've got a pretty bow on the front. And then You can stick them together. Now, I thought you probably did this and you fold that crease, but you don't, which I managed to realise before I glued it together. You stick this, and this is where you write your note to the person you're sending it to. So it even comes with the sticky strips on the side. You don't have to provide any glue or anything. It's all done for you. How cool is that? So there, you just literally stick it together. Make sure it matches, and that bit just goes through that bit on the side. There we are. You fold, and you've got it. It's really cute, isn't it? And then you can put your little flowery insert in. You can write on this, or you can leave it blank and just write in the back. Nail it pops. How sweet is that? Ooh, in it goes. There we are. And then your little paper clip goes on the top. So cute, love that. Like that. And then, oh, mustn't forget our little stamp under the paper clip, must we? I think I'll use the yellowy one this time. We've got 2 different kinds. I think that was meant to go under there. Like so. How cute. And then all that's left is to put these little edge pieces on. And they literally go in the corners. Just there. And it just makes it pop a little bit. I think this is so cute. And then they fit in the envelope perfectly. They go in here. You can see they fit in, even though it comes right to the top. You can probably push it down a bit more too. But it has, there you are, it fits in absolutely perfectly. And you can write all your sentiment in here too. Now, I had an idea about these. I thought these would be lovely to send to grannies with recent photos of the children in, or a friend with photos in. You know, just pop a little photo in the back with your note, and you send that off. I think it'd make a beautiful little thoughtful note for somebody, like a granny, a granddad, an auntie, an uncle, a friend, anybody that you're thinking of and want to send a note and a photo to. I love that idea. And did you notice no stamping? I don't think I've ever seen a stamp product with no stamping, but there you go. You don't have to stamp to make it pretty. So this is free with Saleabration, and it's so cute. Now, here's the other one in the other colourway. That's so lovely, isn't it? Oh, I've missed a bit off. I have the stickers that come with it. What have I done with them? Have I got them? Yeah, I must have. Ooh. Did I do? Oh, here they are. I missed a piece off. Did you notice that? So on this bit it says sending a note, but I hadn't put this one. So you have all the stickers. So you have enough to put on 8. And you have sending a note, sending wishes, sending love, sending thoughts, and then you have them in German and French. So you can send it to lots of different people, depending on the language that you really want to use. So I'm going to put sending wishes on this one. And it just pops under here, and it all colour coordinates. How cute is that? I love that. Really pretty. So there you go, that's both of them. They're really nice. And I think by the end of Saleabration, I will find another use for these. Definitely, I think we could have an alternative use as well. They're really lovely. Now let's have a look in the Saleabration catalogue and see where they are again. Here they go. And the colours they've used in them are crushed curry, early espresso, grapefruit grove, lovely lipstick, mossy meadow, pool party, soft sea foam, and of course white. So yeah, you could stamp on them easily. You could stamp the alternating colours inside, decorate it up, change it completely. I think it'd be really pretty. Even put it in a scrapbook with some hidden journaling. Love that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed just seeing that really quick little project from me today to show you the Saleabration item for Saleabration Sunday. Hope you liked it. If you do, please give me a like and click the subscribe button, and then if you press that little bell, it gives you notifications of when I upload a video, and I'll be bringing you one at least every Sunday until the end of Saleabration. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. If you want to shop with me or browse the catalogue, do hop over to my blog at inkstampshare.ink, and you'll find loads of different ideas on my blog and inspiration to get you using all your stuff. The other thing to note is we have an amazing joining offer at the moment with Saleabration. So you can get even more value for money than you do with Saleabration. So if you join up with Stampin' Up during the Saleabration offer, you can get £170 worth of any products that you choose for just £99, including free shipping, for any products from the spring and summer catalogue and the annual. Or the option 2 is £170 worth of Stampin' Up products plus the gorgeous Craft and Carry tote, which is fabulous. I use mine for everything and it's just brilliant. And that is worth £47. So you get all of that for just £125. So you're making a massive saving. So if you want to join up with me, do go over to my blog, inkstampshare.ink, and click on the join the fun button, and everything will be there so you can read it, or get in contact with me if you've got any questions. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you soon.